clock keeps ticking, but I won't slow down. Building my empire in this buzzing town. Casting my vision on the silver screen. My funded life, a vivid sheen. My funded futures, light the way.
What's up, everybody? What's up, Denny? How are you, Denny?
What's up, Stephen? How are you doing?
All right. What a great weekend. I chilled here. Michael, my YouTube disappeared. I didn't mean to. What a day, what a day, what a day. Unbelievable. What a great weekend. What a great weekend. Okay, hope everybody's here. All right, let's see. Luke's not going to be here tonight, but Denny's filling in. All right, let me just show you this great pattern here tonight. I mean, right before we got in here, around the 7 o'clock, you can see gold pushing up here to new highs here. I know my picture's blocking here, but you can look on the 15. You can see these MACDs are non-confirmation. Any rallies on this gold has got to be shorted here. If you look at the 30-minute time frame, unbelievable pattern here. You can see here the MACDs are negative on the 30, so any rallies need to be shorted here on the gold. 60-minute MACDs negative. I'm looking for them to push up and to get short. Hey, everybody, how are you? How are you, my funded futures? We have a special giveaway tonight. S&P futures just dropped about 7 since around the 7:40 time period here. How are you, everybody? What happened? I don't see any comments here.
You just started.
Okay. All right, everybody. All right, gold S&Ps here. What a day. NASDAQ futures, S&P futures. Okay. I would short gold on every rally here. Absolutely. Absolutely. If this gold gets up to the 63 and a half, I would look to short 63, probably 63, 67, or 63 and a half to 67 and a half. Use a 69 and a half stop. Hello, everybody. Well, that was fun last week. We gave away, so far, my funded futures has given away 415 core accounts, 50K core accounts, and also scale accounts combined. But that's insane. That's absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. We got to get these numbers up here, everybody. We got to get these numbers up here today. Danik, good morning. Zaid, hey, Zaid. How are you? Young, okay. What a great day in the gold. We had such a day, I have to tell you, it was just unbelievable. We had probably about 35 to 40 trades just in the index futures, and probably another, I would say 10 to 20, 15 to 20 just in gold. Unbelievable patterns. Not one stop out today. Not one. All right. What a great day. Great day. Last week we on the 100 prop giveaway, we had over 1,100 people viewing. Okay. And again, one of the most important things, right, is to be consistent, to be able to trade, hit your goals, and stop for the day. All right. Unbelievable. Okay. Let's see here. So, hey, Frank, how are you? Finally, Frank, where have you been? Okay, good job. Okay, so I want to show you this pattern here. Now, this is a set strategy I have written here, okay? And it goes like this. When the MACDs are above the pivot on the 5, 15, 30, and 60, okay, and the algorithm reverses the buy on the 5-minute time frame, you wait for the overbought condition, which is right around here. You take the short on the gold, right, and look at it get kabooshed. It just dropped right there over almost $6 there on gold. So when the algorithm reverses to buy, when the MACDs are above the pivot and the algo reverses the buy on the 5, you wait for the overbought condition, okay, and then you take the short. Now, when you got the push down here on the gold, okay, down to 58, you set up a long off the 15-minute time frame, and then gold, of course, rally right down. I'm sorry, gold gets down to the 54 and a half. You can see the drop of about 9, and then it rallies about 5 right there. Okay, all right. S&P futures, what a day today. Was trading 67.50 when I walked in. They traded all the way down to 66.96 and a quarter. Great patterns on the S&P. I'll show you what we took a buy off of. If you look at the 60-minute time frame, you can see again these are buy divergences. All right, the 60-minute reverses to buy, it correlated with the 15, the 30, and the 60, right? The 60 reverses. And then you can see the pullback right here on the 15. And then when the 15 reverses to sell, you went from a positive trend all the way into oh boy, look at this gold. Jeez, short some gold here, 67.5. Short some gold here. What just came out here? Jesus, cover this gold between
What would it feel?
67.5?
yeah, so some more 68.5. Okay. Cover 66.5. 66.5. It's not even the Chinese. Look at this thing drop.
Holy flag.
Cover 64.5, 66 as if you're short. Look at that gold drop. Look at this thing drop. Look at this thing. What a short. Oh my God almighty. What a short. Oh my God. Already, I've never seen gold do that in the first 7 minutes. Oh my God almighty. Look at this thing get kabooshed.
Yeah, I got it. 2000.
Oh my God. Just made 2,000. Let him have them. Oh my God almighty. Short the world. Oh my God. Good Lord God almighty. I cover 64.5, 65.5. That's just cover. Forget it. Kabooshed. Did you get that short? You can't trade with your arms folded.
I know,
What?
I missed
No,
it.
how could you miss it? They just shot up like a rocket ship going to Pluto. Oh my God almighty. What a short. Oh my God almighty. I said short the rally. It's Christmas in September. Oh my God. Oh my God almighty. Oh my God. Denny, tell me, good Lord God, you got the short, Denny. Denny? We lost Denny.
He's catching it.
Denny, I would cover shorts. Done for the night. That's a. Where is the caboose sound? Oh, Denny's falling asleep at the wheel.
No, he's shorting.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I've never seen a move like that in the Tokyo session right out of the gate. Where is Denny? Is he hear me? Is he alive?
Hope he's okay.
Y'all can hear me, right?
Oh, no, we couldn't hear you. Where's the caboose sound?
You guys been watching me the entire time. I got the caboose sound right here. What?
Let me hear it. That sounds like a bear that has a stomach ache.
That is the best bear sound.
Oh my God almighty.
That's pretty good. That is pretty good.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh my God almighty. That's a cabooshin. That's it. I say we go home for the night. That's it. What'd you make, 2,000 on that?
Yeah.
There you go. Wow. Dude, look at this. 1,000. Andrew Knapp. Andrew, 1,000. I will tell you, we've been doing this Tokyo session now. This is our 4th week. I've never seen a trade like that in the first 8 minutes. That's because you're here. And that's because you're supposed to take the trade.
I got in at 64, 65, and then it stopped me at 68.
The stop wasn't 68. The trade was 64 and a 64 and a half to 68 and a half, right?
Oh.
What was the range? 63 and a half, Michael? What was the range?
I got you in what, 60?
No. What was my range? 64 and a half to 68 and a half to 3 and a half to 63.
66 and a half.
No, 63 and a half. Okay. This you can't stop yourself out. The range has got to be wide on gold. You just made a critical mistake.
Yeah.
Number 1, you didn't listen. Number 2, you didn't understand the strategy. Number 3, the range was 3.5 to 7.5, and you got to go 2 over. 9.5 was the stop.
She's got Hugo-itis.
Yeah, you can't do this. You're no more than 5 feet behind me.
I know.
I don't want to hear the word I know. I'd rather kill
I don't
myself.
know. That's why.
No,
I don't
really, seriously, okay? I don't like the word I know. I told you one of my first podcasts I ever did was I can't stand, and no disrespect because I like you, okay, is I can't stand when people say I know. I'd rather slip my wrist like Frank Pantangeli in The Godfather in the bathtub, okay? All right. Oh my God, I've never seen anything like that. Frank, guys in my community, you guys get short? Martin? Well, see, now what I did, I was watching this gold, so I started shorting the highs. Like, even though I called a range, I was watching it. Just because I call a range doesn't mean I was already selling 68 and a half, right? 67 and a half, 68, right? You see what I'm saying? So I didn't necessarily just scale in. I waited. Just because I call a range doesn't mean you have to. You could go in the upper range. So I wait a little. I'm a little different, right? I saw it do and I said, like that, right? Unbelievable. Yugoitis. Unbelievable. Oh my God. I have not seen a move like that. Okay? I have not seen a move like that since we're doing that. Right, Denny? Right?
I have not seen that happen since we started the streams.
No, don't say Yugoitis. Yugo's a good man, Michael. What's wrong with you? Erase that. Okay? That's wrong. That's absolutely wrong. Yugo's a good man. Sinclair, great job, 400. Okay? Gap filled at 58. I don't even know what you're talking about. It hit 58 just now. Whew! What? Artan! Artan, my good friend. Get well. I said a prayer for you today, Artan. Okay? Hope you're doing better, my good friend. Hope I meet you soon. Okay? What a short! Denny, when you see them get caboose like that, you can't wait like a minute later to do the caboose sound. The bear sound. You got to do it right away. Roar! You got to get a bear swiping at something. That's what the logo. Look, this is the logo right here. So use the imagination, right? This is the imagination right here, right? You see that right there? The bear?
I see it. Mm-hmm.
That's what you got to have. So you got to put that bear logo in the chat, okay? And then you got to think of a bear, roar, like swiping at something. I'm a better bear than that sound was, all right? All right, right back up on the double blue. So I got so excited I should have bought the gold. That's a double blue buy. See the ADX rising, the positive MACD? So here, let me just show you. Anyway, going back to this today, this is the push down on the S&Ps and NASDAQ futures when they got the push down here. You can see the MACDs were positive on the 60-minute time frame. All right, so this is the long on the gold. I got so excited I couldn't take it. This is the long on the gold. This is what's called a double blue buy signal here. Okay, so when gold got cabooshed here like this here, okay, you see the pencil down. You see the algorithm reversing to buy. I should have bought this gold here. Okay, positive MACD here. The ADXs are rising. This was a nice long on the gold. All right. Whew. Wow, good. You got a long on the gold. Good job. Good job. Good job. Artan, I hope you're feeling better, brother. All right. Wow. I got to tell you, seriously, you bought the double blue buy, Jeffrey Shearer. Good job. I just got too overexcited. If you buy in Paul, if you buy in 38.63s and it drops to 61, I don't have to tell you, but I would have bought more, right? You do what you want. Okay, shorted 10 contracts there, Stephen. Good job. Good job. Good job. Wow, that was amazing. Can we get to 500, 700 today, people? Artan, call your cousins. Let's go. All right. So, you see how I waited and I watched the gold just do this, do this, do this, do this? I said, short it, right? So, I didn't do 64 and a half, 66 and a half. I waited a little patiently more. Just because I call a range, you have to watch what's going on, too. It was just like a straight rocket ship. So I said, at the highs. I literally probably sold at 30 cents off the high. Right? Okay. All right. Good job. All right. Wow. That was a surprise. But you see how you got to be ready? I said, any rallies in gold, I already mentally was ready to short them. Denny, you make money on that?
I caught the short, and then I caught the long, and I'm up $1,500 tonight.
Oh, my God. Denny might be in a good mood for a giveaway tonight. Oh, my God.
I'm in a great mood tonight.
Denny is up 1-5. Denny, I'm not going to jinx you because you're not going to trade the rest of the night. But
No,
Denny,
I'm not. I'm done.
Denny is up. Seriously, this is our fourth week, right? This is our fourth week. He is up now.
Week.
Huh?
It's our fourth week.
Yes, it's the beginning of our fourth week here. Okay. I would say that Denny right now is up 13 days in a row. How's that? 13 days in a row. All right? Wow. Now, I forgot to take the long because I was so excited about it, and I was waiting for the caboose, and then we just got a kaboom. Where's the bull? We got to get the bull, like snorting, right?
All right. I'll look into that right now.
All right. We got to get a better caboose, though. Well, anyway, that was I never seen that happen. A short, and I missed the long, and that was a double blue buy. That was a double blue buy. I lost 5,000 on that short, and my wife is leaving me. I don't know what you're talking about. Well, maybe I have no idea. I don't believe anybody, please. Okay, I lost 5,000 on the short. Why'd you lose 5,000 on a short? And your wife's leaving you. Well, you didn't get you should not have gotten stopped out. Okay, Aaron, do you believe him, Aaron? Do you believe him, Aaron? Okay, I don't believe him. Okay, I don't believe it. Okay. Read a book. I'll have a migraine if I read a book. Are you crazy? The first 4 sentences, I'll run for the hills. All right. Gold just traded up to 67.5. Just dropped 2. All right. All right, so anyway, let me just show you another great pattern today. I want to show you, based upon my research and based upon the way everything works in my methodology, I want to show you Coinbase really quickly. Now, I know, and of course, crypto, Bitcoin, had unbelievable move today here. But if you look at Coinbase, I want to show you this, okay? Just so everybody, this is my methodology. If you look at the 60-minute time frame right here, 60-minute our time, you see this, to push up here. Jesus, gold just dropped 3. Okay. He didn't get stopped out. There's no way. Okay. First of all, if gold rallies 3.5, 7.5, you stop 69.5. Okay. All right. You got to go wide and got to go 2 above the highest offer. Okay. So here, you see the push up here. Okay. Right. The 60-minute time frame reverses the buy. It correlates with the 30 and the 60. Okay. All right. I know, you got to laugh. JC, right? You see, I didn't even flinch, right? Okay. So now the 60 reverses the buy. It correlates with the 30 and the 30 and the 15. What is the strategy? You buy the first pullback on the 15. Arton, look at this. Or everybody, oversold, positive MACD. That's buy divergence number 1. Okay. Oversold, rising ADX, buy divergence number 2. Oversold, big buying pressure. Buy divergence number 3. Coinbase, up 6 off that. MSTR, same pattern. MSTR, 60 reverses the buy. MACDs are positive from below the pivot. What do you look to do? You buy the first pullback on the 15. Here it is, the deep oversold. Again, oversold, positive MACD. Oversold, rising ADX. Oversold, big buying pressure. MSTR. 319. Look at that. Boom. $6. MSTR. These are phenomenal strategies. And these are strategies that you can use when you're trading options as well. Okay? Chill, Stephen. Why are you telling me Trade Station looks crazy? Why are you telling me to chill? Are you crazy? All right? Okay? All right. Wow, Kano got a payout for my fund of futures that he won 2 weeks ago. Good for you, Kano. Okay, maybe you can help the AV out. Okay? All right. What is he, crazy? Calling me and saying to chill? Is he out of his mind? Okay? All right. All right. Now listen, I mean, you got to be ready at all times. This is like, he didn't get stopped out, Ricardo. Are you crazy? Please. Okay? Trade Station looks crazy. Okay? I don't know what that means. Come on, guys. Let's get up to 5, 6, 700. If we get up there, Denny may even do a special giveaway here. So far, my funded futures is giving away 415 funded accounts. That's right, for free. On 13 days, 415 funded accounts. Okay? All right. All right. All right. Let's see here. Anybody new here to the stream for the first time in the Asian session here, Asian opening? Anybody? All right. So basically, okay, China has 4 PMI red flags dated 9:30 p.m. Thank you very much, William Carson. Thank you. Look, so AV says he lost 5,000, and one of my guys just made 5,000. So maybe you guys should talk. Okay, all right. Good job, Aaron Gutierrez. That's a phenomenal job. 5 Gs. Good job, Aaron. Very proud of you. Thank you, Mike Jacques. Okay. It's let's see here. Let's see if we get one more push up on the index futures here. Again, so we have the 9 o'clock opening here, and then we have the 9 o'clock opening in the Chinese market, and then we have the 9:30 PMI. That should really move the market in gold here in the China PMI. Okay, so can we get to 500? And maybe we'll do an early raffle. Maybe we'll do 10 here. If we get to 500, 54 more. Okay, gold, S&Ps just rallied 5. NASDAQ futures just rallied about 20. Okay. Wow, you made 12,000, Jose? Congratulations. Good job, Jose. Great, that's great job. Okay, and I stream every single day. If anybody wants to join my live stream, you can go to my website, sktrading.live. I stream every day from 9 to 4, okay? And you get my chart overlay, you get my live stream, and you get my member Discord, okay? So hopefully you can be part of that, okay? That's great. I mean, I love, this weekend I think I responded, seriously, between Saturday afternoon and practically most of the day on Sunday. I think I responded to north of, had to be over 300, 350. I believe it was that many text messages from people all around the world. So again, I give out my phone number. It's 914-500-7484. Okay. So again, great pattern there on MSTR. Tesla today. What a great short in Tesla off the 60-minute time frame. You can see the new high here. We called the short in Tesla, and within an hour, Tesla was down $11. Why was Tesla recalling the shorts? Well, we had the MACDs non-confirming the highs on the 60-minute time frame right there. Okay, unbelievable. Great sell divergences here. I shorted Palantir, dropped $2 like that. Okay, what else here? If you want to take a scalp short only on the gold, let's see if it gets up to the 7.5 level again. I'll wait. Let's just watch it here. Okay. Let's see here. 700 views and 400 likes. Let's go. Let's go. We got to get this to 5. Denny, if we get to 500, let's do like 5 or 10 giveaways early. What do you think, Denny? Denny's finally trying to find the bull here.
No, yeah, I am trying to find the bull, but I agree.
Yeah, if we get to 500 views, we'll do a quick 10 giveaway. If you want to short this gold, you can look to short 68.5 up to 72.5. You have to use a 74.5 stop. Okay, I go wide on that. So basically, you saw the way I do it. I won 5,000. She left the other guy, and now she's with me. There you go. I love that answer. There you go, Diego. There you go, Diego. There you go, Diego. All right. Yeah, I'm shorting gold if it gets up there. NASDAQ double red short. Yep, I want to short it. Let's see here. NASDAQ. If we get another push up on, oh geez, NASDAQ. S&P's just got caboose on the double red. Okay, NASDAQ, that's a double red. That's a great job, Speed, identifying that pattern. Okay. All right. Can we get to 500? 12 more, and we'll do 10 giveaways here. Okay. We'll do 10. Oh, Denny, you got to send the link in so everybody can sign up. Denny, we got to do the giveaway here. You guys have to sign up. For those of you who are on my TikTok, YouTube, and my live stream back, right? You guys have to sign up on the link in order to participate for the raffle. Okay. Look to cover the gold here, 67, 68 range. If you're short, just scalp it. Just hit the high. See that? Boom.
Got it.
There you go. You're getting good. Hello?
3,000 so far.
3,000. You're getting good. Okay. You listen to me. I'm telling you. All
That's
right.
amazing. Yeah, I mean,
Number one thing, you listen to me. There goes the gold. Okay. All right. Gold. I short again. 69 to 73. Use a 75 stop. Okay. If not, you can still lower your stops on the short. Keith Singleton up 660. Great job. Nasdaq up to 24,570. What? Nasdaq 24,570. You think Nasdaq's going to drop to that? Oh, I think it's going a lot lower than that. Okay, up 1,100. McKeet, good job. Great job, McKeet. Great job. And then again, if anybody wants to talk to me or text me, my cell phone number is 914-500-7484. There goes the gold dropping. Z Wilson, I hope you got the short. All right. Well, come on, guys. 16 more if you guys want to. Victor Piero. Victor, you're late to the game. Okay, Victor. All right. Good job, Ice Dog. Look at this gold drop. It's all right. It's okay. Anybody still short the gold? I would just lower your stops. Oh, my God. Just got kabooshed. Where's the kaboosh sound? Oh, my God. He's late to the game. Gold just... Do you guys like that one? That sounds like a bear that's like, he's got stomach pains.
yeah.
Do you like that bear sound?
We need a vote.
Huh? Oh my God. Well, lower your stops. What's gaming channel mean? What is that? Oh my God. You short?
I did, and I'm out. Yeah,
Okay.
I got it back.
Hand on here. Ready? Look here. Okay, look. I might have to get your T-shirt because this
I like
is
that pink.
okay. Paw on the mouse.
Yes. Oh.
Okay. Paw. Get your paw. This is a shirt I had made up for someone who's going to come visit me. Paw on the mouse. Denny, we got to make some T-shirts. A kaboosh and kaboom. No, what do you think? We got it. Maybe we should auction off some kaboom and kabooshed.
I'm down. What are you thinking?
I don't know. We got to talk. We got to figure it out. And I got to figure a way. I got to figure a way. Look at look at his gold drop. I got to figure a way, maybe to give away a couple live streams to my channel. But it's a back end issue I got to figure out, Michael. You know that? I got to figure out a back end here. Mr. Short Bike 2 ticks. Okay. Stop loss ready, people. I don't know what that means. Okay. All right, Denny. We're 527. Let's do 10. If we get to 600, we'll do another 10. If we get to 700, we might have a bonus for everybody tonight. All right, Denny. Let's do 10 raffle. Wait, no, whoa. We got to put the link in there for them to subscribe really quick, Denny. Denny? I don't know what happened to Denny. It must be in the union. Taking a leak.
No, I'm here.
All right, we got
I'm
it.
going to do 10 right now.
No. They got to register. They haven't.
I already put it out. We already have 245 people that filled it out.
All right, well, put the link in there again for the people that we'll do 10 now, but let's make it fair. Let's keep sending the link out to people because I don't want to hear people like, I never got the link. Okay.
I got you.
All right, I know. All right, we're gonna do 10 giveaways of what 50K core accounts, or we're gonna do scale account. What are we doing?
We are doing core accounts tonight.
All right, we're doing 10 50K core accounts, my funded futures will bring it up to 525 in 13 days. Let's do it. All right, we're going to do 10. If we do 600, we'll do another 10. 700, we'll do another 10, and then we'll have a bonus at 700. How's that? Okay? All right, everybody call your cousins. Let's go. All right, Denny, let's go. Give out the 10.
I'm doing it right now. Let me see. All right, so everybody knows I go through ChatGPT to do this, and scroll all the way up. You can see everybody's name is in there. I filled it out, and I told me to pick 10 winners. Okay, chat, 10 winners. It's all fair.
Why don't you call out the names, Denny, so others can hear it.
We're calling out names right now. You got Johnny Gahiga, Gregory, WXWB,
Oh my God.
Gibber, and Kerr. I am something Tron, Unknown, Jamie Spage, Savage, and Liminal Reality.
All right, congratulations to 10. My guys are saying there's no link. Congratulations. My guys are saying, Joe Lombardo is saying there's no link, Denny. So, can you...
I pushed it out in my chat. Do you want me to send it
Guys,
to
you got to go. You guys got to go to My Funded Futures YouTube to subscribe. I told you that from the beginning, Joe. Come on. Okay.
No, Joe, you're not too late for the next one. As long as y'all keep signing up for it, I'm going to go ahead and take these winners out. That way they cannot win again.
That's right. That's right.
And
You got to put the link in. Sign up.
I did.
One with another 10.
Did you sign
whenever
up?
we get to the next level.
I
Okay?
don't know where it is.
All right. What do you mean you don't know where it is? You got to wake up.
He's not watching it.
Oh my God Almighty! Come on. All right. All right. Those of you who are on TikTok or my YouTube and in my live stream, you need to go to the My Funded Futures YouTube and sign up. Denny, if you could put the link in one more time here for people. All right. I just don't want to hear it from anybody. All right. 555 at 600 we'll do another, anything over 600 we'll do another 10. 700 we'll do 10, and we may even have a bonus for tonight, okay? A big bonus if we hit 700. All right, S&P futures right now turning up on the 15. We'll wait to get short on that, okay? I was busy filling out divorce papers. Well, maybe this is your day to get divorced, okay? All right? All right. Michael, you see the link? I don't see the link for people to sign up.
I don't know.
Denny, it's not posted in the YouTube, My Fund the Futures YouTube.
It is. It's one, it's pinned. I made sure it was pinned, and I've dropped it like 4 times.
Am I crazy? I don't see it. Am I losing my mind? Oh, there it is. There's the form right there. There. Now I see the form. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Now I see the form. Okay. You guys got to sign in on my YouTube and my TikTok. Okay. Gold prediction. Where have you been, AJ? Come on. Okay. Where have you been? Gold just dropped 4 here. All right. All right. Am I able to show the gold chart? Yeah, I'm able to show the gold chart. Sure. I'm just showing different patterns. Of course, I can't type. Let's see here. Okay. So the mindset right out of the gate when I started the show tonight was any rallies in gold, I'm looking to short. That's how my mindset worked. Okay? That's how my mindset worked. All right, 51 more at 600. We'll do another 10. Okay? We'll do another 10. 425 in 13 days. Unbelievable. All right. That's got to be the fastest 2 or 3 trades that we did. Normally, this doesn't get going until 8:40, 8:45, 9 o'clock. And listen, you hit your goal. You're done for the night. Gary B. Okay? Take a screenshot cap if you're asked to prove you won. Okay? All right? You guys got to follow the rules. You got to take a screenshot. Okay? I believe gold just got kabooshed. Just another 4 on gold. All right. My funded futures won't let me trade gold on Ninja. Did I do something wrong? Denny, you want to answer that?
not able to trade gold is because you have to go into your billing section and change your CME package. Make sure that gold is selected.
There's no way
If it's
you
not,
stop hit down 1400. There's no way. I don't know what you're on. Send me a case. Okay. Okay. All right. Sorry, Denny. I'm sorry.
no, you're fine. So the way that it works on my fund of futures, if you are not able to trade gold, it's because your CME data package in your billing section is not selected for gold. You have to go and add COMEX.
You all understand that?
NDX.
You guys understand that? Come on, 57 more. We'll do 10 more on the raffle. 600. Come on, guys. Let's go. All right. Again, you need to go to My Funded Futures YouTube. Sign up on that link to be qualified. Okay, we're dropping 58 more to go. Okay. All right, switching to Michael's up enough. Good job. Who is that? Who's that? I can't even read. Martin? Good job, Martin. Great job, Martin. Okay. It's free, Comex. Is Comex data free? It's got, right? It's free, right?
Every data package is free with my fund of futures.
All
Every
right.
single one.
All right, 50 to go to 600. 650 to go. What a short on that S&P, on the gold. Jesus, Lord God. Whew. Wow, it's just Monday. I'm already exhausted. I'm really. All right, so you got a little bull flag setting up here on gold. Should get another push up here on the gold here, 64.2. Okay. Let's see if we get one more push up here. All right, 48 more to go. If we get 600, we'll do another 10 raffle. Anybody, you got to be here to win it as well. Okay? You got to be here. 45 more to go. You got to be here. Gold just rallied a $1.80 on that push down just now. So this is deemed a double blue buy. Okay, you should get one more put oversold, rising ADX, positive MACD. Gold should push up. Could make a new high here, gold. Gold could make a new high here. Man, it's hot in here. Jesus. What happened? I love the heat. Okay. 43 more to 600. Looking to buy gold, 863. Well, it just got down to 64.20. I don't know. You might have missed the boat here. Just rallied 2.5. Okay. 43 more to do another raffle here. 43 more on the raffle. Okay. Again, if anybody wants to reach out to me, you can text me or call me. My cell phone number is 914-500-7484. I had to wear my reading glasses today. I couldn't take it. I think I had over 350 text messages from people. And I returned every single one of them. Every single one of them. And I was sober the whole time. Okay? Looking to short high on the golds. Yes, I'm looking to, but gold just rallied 2.5 here. S&P's rallied just now here. What are you doing? Down 9. Okay. I want to see these S&Ps get to 14, then short them. Okay. Michael, I can't see the amount of people. Okay. 31 more, 28 more to 600. 600. And we'll do another 10 on the raffle. Okay. Again, unbelievable. Unbelievable. 825 pop profit. Oni, good job. I think it might go higher than that. Gold just rallied 3 on that pattern. That was off the 3-minute. 571, 29 more to go. Where's Hendricks? Hendricks is home, Jessica. He tortured me today, but he's a good boy. He went to the vet. He's a good boy. The vet was scared of him. He said, this dog is a big dog. Look at these gold go. Gold just rallied 4. Okay, let's see here. NASDAQ, S&P. I want to see if the 15s get a little bit more overbought. This gold might make new. This gold can go to 70, could go to 70.5, 71. Okay.
Steve, can I interrupt for a second?
Yep.
Chad, if you already won, you cannot win again in the same night. Okay. You do not have to re-enter the raffle every time. It's one time, and I will make sure that if you won, you are not winning again. All I have to do is tell ChatGPT, do not pick these same winners again. Pick 10 different winners, okay? Everybody gets a fair chance. No one's
Okay.
getting to win twice. Now, that does not mean you can't win tomorrow. You can still
That's
win
right.
tomorrow even if you won tonight.
That's a great
You
one.
just can't win twice in one night.
Right. Sir, what, hey, Sir O. Watt, hey, how are you? Listen, they're asking a question about COMEX data here. I don't know. Can I enter now? Yes, you can enter now. The link's in there. Extraordinary Cave Trader, does anyone have instructions on how to add the COMEX package to my account? All right, 32 to go here, 32 to go. S&Ps, if they get up to the 14, 18 range, I look to short them here. Let's see here. Gold, very close to making new highs here, pushing up. Okay. Anybody watch My Fund of Futures TV during the day? What a great show. I'm going to hopefully talk to Denny about coming on once or twice a week. I was on last Friday from 12:30 to 1. Okay. Gold, S&Ps, I'd probably short these here, 13.5 to 18.5 range, or 17.5, 18.5 range. S&P, of course, it just dropped. NASDAQ, I would look to short the NASDAQ, 32 up to probably 52 range, scaling wide here on that. NASDAQ, you got to go wide. A lot of people don't even know how to trade the NASDAQ, I'm just telling you right now. A lot of people don't know how to trade the NASDAQ. Okay, Ryan Nichols, how are you? Kabooshed. I think nothing got kabooshed just yet. Okay. All right, Izzy, how are you? Oh, look what Izzy just wrote. See, this is why this drives me crazy. Are you actually going to pick from everyone? Are you going to pick from everyone this time only the ones you want to pick from again? That's not cool, man. I mean, that's not cool, really. Okay. Good job, Desant, on the gold long. You see that? Do you see that comment, Denny? That's not cool. I don't like that. I'm around a long time. I don't like that. Okay? All right. That's not cool. Right, Denny? That's not cool. All right. We're 6 away from 10 more. We're doing the raffles a little early.
Steve, let me make a comment real quick.
I don't like that comment. That
No,
just
no,
sent me.
I don't like it either, but I'm going to go ahead and say this to Chad. My Fund of Futures, we do a lot. We do a lot for y'all by giving y'all giveaways every single day. Every single day. I'm showing y'all the entire list, and I'm telling Chad, pick 10 winners. I'm not going in chat saying, hey, pick these 10 or pick this name for a win.
600.
It's not fair, and I'm not going to do it.
I don't like that nonsense, man. I feel like just like saying goodnight. I don't like that. No, dude, I'm serious. I don't like anybody questioning integrity here. I'm 43 years in the game. I work with the biggest guys in the world. I'm dealing with one of the greatest firms who have given away 425 accounts. Okay? You want to do the dollar value on that? I don't see any other prop firm doing that. Okay? No, seriously, I don't like that crap. Really,
No.
I'm telling you. Like, I'm too old for this shit. Really. Really, I don't like anybody. Listen, people can have a right to say what they want, but without the facts and the nonsense, take a walk. Really. I'm telling you, you don't know me too well. I mean, I'm not going to ruin it for everybody else because of one mental patient, but, and it's just not right.
I agree. I don't like it, and I don't appreciate people.
I don't appreciate it. Somebody made a comment like this in the first week, and in my head, I started seeing white dots. I almost went crazy. Luke had to calm me down. Okay. All right. We hit 600. Let's give him 10 more.
All right.
700. We'll do 10 and maybe even a big bonus. Okay. This gold's going to make a new high. It's going to go through
Here, I'm
71.
about to show chat my screen. That way they can't say, no one in there can say that we're choosing who we want to win. Everybody sees this says, oh wait, I'm sorry. Let me remove your screen real quick. All right. Everybody sees it says pick 10 more winners, but not the same people. Right, chat? Everybody can see that? All right. Let's see what ChatGPT picks.
I'll kill myself if Izzy wins.
All right. The winners are Chernezy,
Oh my God, I thought you said Izzy.
Simper 5, Fading Time, Smart Props,
That's 10?
no. Then you got Hilda, LM Trades, Spectre Trading, BRNB, and David Rogo MWA.
Congratulations. All right, that's 10. I said we would do 10 more at 600, at 700. Okay, at 700 we'll do 10 more, and maybe we'll have a bonus. We'll see. And if Izzy wins, I'm going to kill myself. Okay? All right? All right. Gold just shot up to the, 68.5 here. This gold's going to go. 68.70. Okay. Come on, guys. Let's get it to 700. Okay. All right. Now, remember, 9 o'clock, the Chinese market opens. All right. The Chinese market opens. What do you think? Up or down on the Chinese market opens? I think up. I don't need a beer. I drink scotch. I don't drink beer. As a matter of fact, I can't even stand the taste of beer, to be honest with you. Okay. Up and then down. I think you're right, McKee. Up and then down. You think down? I think up, 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 then down, down, down. Okay? That's what I think. Congratulations to the winners. Congratulations. Okay. Kaboom on the S&Ps. They just rallied, they just rallied about a point here. I think it goes up. Kaboosh the gold, I agree. All right, 77 more to 700, and we'll do 10 more. I thought that was pretty nice of my funded futures. We're at 435 free 50K and or scale accounts in 13 days. Unbelievable. Gold just dropped $1.70 here. Okay. Cool Joker. I like that name. How are you, Mr. W Trade? Oh, gold just got kabooshed. Look at it. 68.5. Damn it. That was my first number. All right. Okay. Beluga. Where have you been, Beluga? Joe Lombardo, you got to keep putting your name in the hat, Joe. Come on. All right? Okay. London, you mean Chinese market. Chinese market that opens here. NASDAQ S&Ps, I'll be scaling it to shorts here. Okay. Gold just dropped 3. What's up, Cool Joker? Mr. G, club soda without the soda. Makes no sense. Gold just dropped 3. Okay. You know what's really funny, though? When I drink my Johnny Walker Black, okay. You got married, Beluga? Oh, okay. All right. When you coming for the morning session? They want me to do the morning session from 9 to 10:30. I can't do it. No way. Too much great trading in the first hour and a half. I can't. I mean, to be interviewed and talk, I'll miss the best hour and a half of the day. I mean, the trades that go on there, right, Aaron? I mean, it's just unbelievable. Okay? It's just unbelievable. Do you know, stop on the S&Ps? Well, if you go 14 to 18, the stop's got to be at 19.5. Okay? Gold just dropped 3 here. Gold. Okay? Or if you're short 13.5 to 18.5, then you have to use a stop at 20. Okay? So, you know what I got to tell you? Look at this gold drop. Jesus, Lord God. So, anyway, All right, I would cancel the short range on the gold. Okay. Welcome to life of prison, Beluga. You hear that? Oh my God, poor Beluga. Okay. Gold just got absolutely cabooshed, $4 just now. So it's funny, like if I drink a scotch, I'll always say, I want a Johnny Walker Black and club soda in a tall glass. I can't even think about drinking that drink in a small glass. I really, I tell the bartender, give me the glass, I'll dump it myself. No way. Oh, unbelievable. I don't want anything else. I like the taste of Johnny Walker Black. I don't like Macallan. I don't like anything else. I don't like it. I've been drinking it since I was 28. Yeah, but I don't like Macallan. I don't like it. Look at this gold drop. Jesus, Lord God Almighty. Anybody short the gold above 68 again? 19 years in. Good job. You're short? Good job.
What it went up there.
Good. You lower your stop? You're out? Good job. Good job. I told you today, Joe Santiago, good job. Good job, Futures Outlook. Good job, everybody. If we hit 700, we'll do 10 more and maybe a bonus. Okay, we'll do a bonus here.
Should we be shorting S&P?
Yeah, I would. Yeah, I mean, the bottom line is, I would scale in here. So if you sold 14s, then you go 15s, so you can have 14 to 18 and a half, use a 20 stop. Or if you're short 13 and a half to 18 and a half, then you got to use a 20 stop, right? Gold just got absolutely cabooshed, $5. Jesus, Lord God Almighty. Okay? All right, can we get to 700 here tonight? Can we get to 700? Can we get to 700, anybody? Anybody? Man, I love this gold. Today was an unbelievable day in gold. Unbelievable day in trading gold during the New York session. Diego Scalper, good job. Diego Scalper. Stephen Kelly. See, that's a normal name. Stephen Kelly. Where are we shorting NASDAQ? 32, 33 up to 52, 53 range. Okay. All right, 613. Let's see if we get up to, and again, those of you who are on my TikTok or my YouTube and or my live stream, for the next couple raffles we're going to do tonight, you really need to sign in, okay? And again, if the ChatGPT, okay, is going to remove anybody who won, okay? Anybody who won, okay? You're looking for gold to go higher? Well, I think the Chinese market, I think the gold's going to push up higher. Yes, I do think that. Okay. Gold just rallied to about $1.70 here. Bought gold. Okay, be careful with the market. The Chinese market opens here in about 7 minutes. Okay. Remove anyone who won and Izzy. No comment. Okay. Okay. All right. Come on, guys. We're just at 650. Let's go. If we get 98 more, we'll do 10 more. So far we hit 500, then we hit 600. Come on. All right. Come on, guys. Let's go. People on YouTube, TikTok. Okay. You got to go to My Funded Futures YouTube in order to sign in for the raffle. Period. I think they rally. Okay. Gold just rallied too. Okay. Okay. All right. Asia rally highs for the sells. I think that's going to happen. Remember last couple of days ago, we watched we watched the Chinese market open, right? It went like this, it went like this, it went like this, it dropped to 78, and boom, to 86. Kaboom. Right? Right? How about S&P? I'll be shorting here into this 13.5, 14, up to 18, 18.5 range. NASDAQ 32.33 up to 52.53 range. All right. Okay. All right. Come on, guys. 605, 95 to go. There goes the gold. If you're long the gold before the Chinese market, I would have stops in. Okay. I think you get better action trading the gold than the indexes. I mean, you could trade the indexes, but okay, 5 minutes here. All right. Let's see here. I'm really psyched. Denny's talking to me about maybe doing the my fund of futures during the week, a couple of days during the week here. Okay. Again, everybody wants me to come on at 9 o'clock. I can't do it. Just too active in the markets, in the equity markets and in the indexes. Gold wants 38.75. Wow, that'd be good. That's what, 9 up from here? Marky, it's a great session to trade if you love the patterns. AJ, I'm thinking about it, AJ. I just don't know when though. We're trying to figure. I told Denny today maybe I'd come on like around 11 to 12 because 10 o'clock's difficult because you got the like tomorrow we have the consumer confidence and the jobs number. What is it? The jobs. What is it called here? The jobs. The job openings at 10. So it's hard. Okay. All right. All right. If you're long the gold, I hope you. No, I can't do it. I can't. I'm way too busy. That 9:30. First of all, 9 to 9:30. I explain a lot of the patterns I'm looking for on the opening, and then the market opens, and forget it. You'll hear order filled, order filled, order filled, order filled, order filled. Right. And again, we have Yom Kippur on Thursday. So what is it that you sell on Rosh Hashanah, buy on Yom Kippur? Like these lunatics know any better, right? Who makes these comments like sell in May, go away? Well, you would have gotten absolutely destroyed if you did that. Okay. All right. All right. You could look to cover the Nasdaq 28.5 to 34.5. S&Ps. If you want to look to cover any shorts, 13 to 14.5 range. Let's see if this thing can drop. Okay, we can trade on my funded futures accounts. Can you guys trade gold on my funded future? I mean gold. I'm sorry. What? Bitcoin, Bitcoin futures. Can you guys do Bitcoin? Can you guys do Bitcoin? 54 to go for a raffle here. Okay. Can you guys do Bitcoin futures? Normally, no.
Yes, yeah. Bitcoin futures is available with my futures.
Oh wow. Stephen Kelly, I should show you my chart overlay on Bitcoin futures. Right here, BTC USD. I mean, great patterns. Okay, look at this, beautiful. You see the push up here, the new highs, the non-confirmations on the 30 and the 60-minute time frame. If you guys want me to do some Bitcoin here at night, no problem. Here, you're making the new high here, the non-confirmation, 825, just dropped about 250. Okay, unbelievable. Okay, unbelievable. Come on, 41 more for a raffle. S&P's dropping, NASDAQ dropping. NASDAQ you can look to cover anywhere between the 29.5, 35.5 range. Gold just rallied 3 here. I do a pre-market analysis. I stream every day from 9 to 4. Okay, non-stop 9 to 4 at sktrading.live. Go to my website. You get the chart overlay. You get the live stream. You get the member Discord where you can talk to me. And then at 5 o'clock I do my podcast, which airs at 6. The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. Okay? All right. 46 more for another 10 raffle. Maybe we'll do even a big giveaway here. Okay? I'm not going nowhere. I can't leave. No way. Can my fund of futures make a video to teach the COMEX ad for Trader V? You got to ask Denny. You know, 50 to go. 1 minute to the Chinese market.
Cat, you just have to go to the billing section of your My Fund of Futures dashboard. There's a little yellow
They're gonna go
lit up wording
Boom.
that says choose your CME data package. Click it and just click Add All or Add COMEX. So you can be able to trade gold.
Good job. Okay. Gold pushed up to new highs, just got caboose. I don't think the move to the upside is done yet. If you have delayed data, I think you gotta figure it out. Okay, there goes the gold. I think this gold's going to 73. I think this gold's going to 73. All right, let's short this gold here. Okay, 71.5 to 75.5. Use a 77.5 stop. Okay, or you can go 72.5 to 76.5 range. Use a 78.5 stop. I told you this gold's going to go up. I told you it's going to go up in the Chinese market. Short on gold, I just gave it to you. 71.5 to 75.5 or 2.5 to 6.5 range. But it just got dropped. 76 to 87. That's a $12. That's a $11 range. What are you, crazy? I'm not doing that. All right. If we get to 31 more, we're gonna do 10 more and then maybe a bonus. We're gonna do a big bonus here. If we get to 700, 27 more. There we go. 71. Michael, short gold at 72.5. 72.5. Michael.
Yep.
Okay. And go 74. Look at this thing. Gold if you're short. Look to cover below 71 if you're short the gold. Okay. S&Ps. Kabooshed! You short S&Ps?
Earlier. Yeah.
There you go.
Oh.
There you go. S&Ps just dropped 2.5. NASDAQ kabooshed.
All right, Steve, I'm going to share a picture real quick so they can see what I'm talking about.
You got to put the picture.
This is what you're looking for, so that way you can add gold. Just click on the View Market Data Subscriptions in the billing page, and you can add COMEX.
Kabooshed on the gold. There you go on the gold. I'm going to have freaking nightmares. Paul Arton just jumped out of his chair. Oh, my God. All right. Nice trade on the gold. Beautiful. Nice trade on the... Look at these S&Ps and NASDAQ. Booshed. Oh, my God. 23 more to 700. Anybody short the indexes, NASDAQ and S&P? Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. That's what I got to say. Look at the gold drop 3. You still short?
No, I'm not.
All right, what are you up on tonight? Don't tell me $10. I'll kill myself.
550.
550. Good job. There you go. You're buying dinner tomorrow.
Okay.
There you go. Good job, Crystal. Up 550. I'm scared to ask what you're up.
15,000?
Oh my
15,000? Oh, my God. All right. Somebody's buying. We're going for drinks now after this. 10 o'clock. Look, the bar's open here till 11:30. I need a scotch. Okay? All right. Unbelievable. Sinclair up 920. Look at that. Shorting gold all day. I said Josh Haru knows the strategies. Right, Joshy? Right? Josh? There you go. Unbelievable. 2 points, not impressive. Big Frank, are you crazy on the S&Ps? Do you understand that the overnight session, you're lucky you get 4 points on the S&P? Okay? Do you understand that? Really? Do you understand that? Okay? Do you understand how difficult it is to take trades on the indexes? Really? Sometimes you'll get anywhere between 2, maybe 4 to 6 points. Okay? Not impressive. I mean, I don't know. Look at this. Josh is up 4,700. Look at that. Oh, no. Jeff is. Good job, Jeff. Okay. TSI, there you go. Look at that, 14,000. Good job. Bitcoin just got kabooshed. 300, 400 points, Bitcoin. Gold just dropped 3, 4. Did I short the gold up there? Where was I shorting?
Get filled.
Where was I at?
You're at
72 and a half.
2.5, yeah.
It went to 72.60, 70.
I don't mind.
Up 700, up 600. Come on, 16 more to go, Denny. Denny, you get short up there, Denny? That's a stupid question, right, Denny?
Well, it is, but I already told you I'm not trading no more because I'm up $1,500.
Oh, that's right. Denny, see? That's discipline. See? Discipline? Right? Can you imagine if you had a wine tonight? You would be up $1,000. Oh, my God. Gold, kabooshed!
Tomorrow.
72.40? That bear sounds like he needs. That's not a bear sound. We got to get us. I gotta find a bear. Can anybody find me a bear like a like fighting bear? We need a fighting bear. Then that's a good job so far though, but I have to say.
Hey,
S&Ps.
I looked for the best one I could find.
610, 10.
Oh my good
I
Lord!
got out at 11.
You're up 1,100?
No, I got out at 11. I was.
Oh my God! S&P's down 5, Nasdaq down 18, almost Nasdaq's down almost 20 here. Good job, kid. Look at this, Denny. You see this, Denny? This is what I'm talking about. I love when people make money like this. I love when people make
Me
money.
too. I like seeing the chat happy.
Exactly. We don't need any Izzies in here.
No negativity in the night stream. Or
So you guys ever see the Gong Show when they get the big hook and they pull the guy off the stage? This is what we got to do to Izzy.
Yeah, I do know what you're talking about.
Yep. All right. I'm not trying to knock Izzy here, but I don't like when people make comments that say the integrity of this raffle is flawed. That's complete horse crap. Okay?
Especially when you can see it on the screen.
Okay. 7 more for me. Come on. 9 more to go for another 10 You know, I got to tell you, if they hit 700, they're entitled to a bonus. What do you think, Danny? We'll do a bonus.
I would say if we hit 700, I'll do 15 more.
Oh my God! Total of 25 more. Okay, we're 12 short. Did you subscribe?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm exhausted now. 9:30. We have. I'm mentally shot. Okay. Let's go. 13 more. Okay. We'll do 10 right away, and then we'll save the 15 for like 9:45 the bonus. How's that? That's fair, right? If we hit the 700, we'll do the 10 right now, and then we'll do 15 at 9:45 with the bonus. Okay, 21 to go. Okay, 21 to go. All right. Again, those of you who are on my YouTube, TikTok, okay, Instagram, we're not streaming, but I will tell you, okay. But I will tell you to go to My Fund the Future's YouTube, okay? My Fund the Future's YouTube. You need to sign the link. Izzy jumped. Yeah, maybe, Mike. I don't know. All right. 700 on the board. Let's go. We're 12 away. Okay? And then again, anybody who wants to reach out to me or text me, my cell phone number is 914-500-7484. Well, this is a great way to start a Monday night. I'm psyched. I mean, if you guys hit your goals for the night, okay, you hit your goals. 12 more to go. Oh, we just dropped 3. 15 to go. I need some water. All right. Okay. 8 more to go. Denny, 8 to go. Good Lord. 8 to go. 8 to go. Okay. 3,500. You got anybody? Okay, my website is sktrading.live. Okay, you guys really should come and join that every day, and really we kick butt. Okay, and you learn the strategies. You'll learn. Oh, come on, we were just 8 away. We just dropped 6. Okay, well, now we need 16 to go. Whew, I'm exhausted. All right. Okay. Now, 11 to go. Good job. 11 to go. You know how many people have come up to me, seriously, okay? Andrew, I told you that a week ago, Andrew, okay? You know how many people have come up to me and said to me, you know, you really opened my eyes on trading gold, okay? And you know what? People said to me, I'm scared to trade gold. I'm scared. You should not be scared of an asset, okay? And I say this not to be funny. 700, Denny. 700. Okay, you're going to get the 15 bonus now. How's that? Bam. All right.
15 more winners for tonight. How does that make y'all happy tonight, Chad?
All right, so let's do the raffle in 4 minutes for the 10 that we were supposed to do, and then at 9:45 we're going to do the fit. You have to be here. You can't be jumping ship. Okay?
We're doing 10 more.
No. At 9:15 we're doing 10 more. At 9:45 we'll do the 15 bonus. Okay?
Okay.
Don't fall asleep.
Right.
Okay, she's shot, Crystal. All right. 7:04. All right. Okay, so again, for those of you, okay, it's still time to sign up to go to My Funded Futures YouTube and sign up. Okay, the link is there. Okay, to sign up. It's pinned, whatever that means. Okay. All right. So we have the 930 PMI number. Okay, 710 and growing. Okay, we have the 910, 930. They have the PMI number. Who's winning the game? The Jets or the Dolphins? Anybody know? And the Ravens. Who's playing? The Bengals and the. Who's playing? The Bengals and the who? Who's playing? The Bengals are playing. Okay, short or long gold. I'm looking for shorts. Up another 100, JC. Good job. Angel, how are you? 708, 705. Dolphins, Jets, and there's another game. Who's it? Titans and the Bengals? Who's playing tonight? Dolphins are up, of course. The Jets are horrible. Okay. Wow, look at that, Ani. Good job, Ani. I hope I'm saying your name correctly. I hope I'm saying your name correctly. All right. Broncos, Bengals. That's it. Thank you. Okay. All right. 709. All right. So think about this, right? So My Funded Futures, okay, is giving away, as of tonight, 415. Okay. Plus, they're giving away another 45 tonight. That's 460 in 13 days. Are you guys on crack? Are you guys kidding me? Do you understand what that means? I don't know one firm that does that, okay? I don't know one firm that does that. Up 1,100, good job, Norman. Oh, Neiman. Sorry, I can't see. All right. Dolphins, 17. Jets, what? 10. Bengals, 3. Broncos, 7. All right. I really, so one time I live in Jupiter, Florida, and I went out to a restaurant about a year ago, and it's Joe Namath's place. And unbelievable, Joe Namath was there. And I started hanging out with Joe Namath for the next 2 hours. And I said, Joe, you got to get suited up. I said, these guys are horrible. And he says, I know, man. I said, Joe, can I say something without any hard feelings? He says, no, say whatever you want. I said, the Jets are the most jinxed team in all professional sports. They haven't won since '69. He goes, I know, man, I know. I said, Joe, get in there, let's go. And I had him cracking up Joe Namath. Oh, he put his arm around me. I have a picture with him. Love, I'll take you. He's there like 4 nights a week. He loves that place. He owns it down here. The most jinxed professional team in sports history, the New York Jets. Okay? The Bills. Oh my God, my sister, Jesus, I'm so tired. My daughter is a Georgia Bulldogs fan and a Buffalo Bills fan. Oh my God, my daughter's completely crazy. Oh my God, I was sitting next to her when he went for 4th and 1 against Alabama, and I'm saying, kick the field goal, kick the field goal, kick the field goal. Kirby goes for it. Boom, they lose 27-24. Oh my God. You want the gold chart up? All right, we'll put the gold chart up. But this is Bitcoin right here. Here's a nice long on the double blue on Bitcoin right here. 400. Here's 400 points on Bitcoin. If you guys want to do do Bitcoin, here's another great asset to trade, especially using my software during the day. Okay? Especially using my software during the day. And you wouldn't be asking me to put up my chart, okay, if you were part of my live stream, you would get the chart overlay. Okay? All right. Okay. All right, 9:15, Danny. Let's do the 10. At 9:45, we do the bonus of 15. Okay?
All right, I'm here. Can you hear me?
I'm here.
Okay. All right. Everybody sees I told ChatGPT to remove the first 20 winners from the master list. Master list is that everybody has signed up, right? Over 700 people have signed up. So if you don't win, please don't be mad. I'm telling you to pick the next 10 winners from the list. All right. Joe Santiago,
Hey, Joe Santiago!
Trezzo Cash, Ish Me, NQ Trend Sniper,
Oh, there you go, NQ.
A-Tech, sorry if I butchered his name, but Crucerito, Gameplay Fool TA, Miguel Rivera, Robert Lopez, and Mike EEXT.
What kind of names are these names?
I don't know.
Oh my God Almighty! Congratulations. Okay,
Congratulations to all the winners.
we gotta do like a clapping sound, like too. We gotta get some props, Danny. We gotta talk about some props.
I'll get some in there.
You know, we gotta get some props in there. Okay,
Yeah,
we gotta be creative here. If this gold gets up to the 72.5, 73, I'd short up to 77 on the gold, 79 stop. Now we do have the PMI number coming out in 13 minutes, but let's just see what happens here. Okay, all right. This gold is too quiet to be shorted right now. Up 16, but let's just watch it. Here we go. Okay, let's see. Congratulations on the winners. Great job, great job, great job. Great job. Great job. All right, we got, what time is it? 12. We got 42 minutes left to go in the game. What's that, 2.5?
Yeah.
Okay. Cover 70s. Cover. There you go. Boom! Kabooshed! There you go. $1.40. Quickly. Boom. Okay. Hand on the mouse. Hand on the mouse.
16.
See? In and out.
16,200.
Okay. But now, remember, what I'm trying to say, I would stop. Okay? Now you watch, learn, and listen. You made 16,200. That's amazing. Okay? So what I'm trying to say to you, this is your first day with me.
Yep.
You just like went to Oxford. Okay? So what I'm trying to say to you is that for anybody who doesn't know, I never met Michael before. He's been talking to me. He has to spend the week with me here, and which for me it's a great joy. A lot of people request that, and I have to tell you that it gives me a lot of great joy. Michael's never traded futures before.
No.
Okay, and it's like boot camp here. This is the no fun league here, right? And so it's really important, the learning, the listening. As my father once said to me, the greatest gift in life is the ability to listen. Okay, And that to me is when you're taking 43 years of experience, okay, and you're learning, and you have someone who is passionate to learn and wants to have the understanding. Is he going to ask questions? Of course. No question is stupid, okay? But if you have the passion and the perseverance and the desire that you want to learn, and you put your mind to it. My father once said to me, Stephen, it's not your biceps, it's not your thighs, okay? It's not your triceps, it's not your chest muscles, it's your inner passion. That's the strongest part of your body, right? And if you really want to put your mind to it, that is where it's at, okay? That is where it's at, all right? So if you want to learn, I'm here to teach you, okay? If you want to come to my live stream every day, sktrading.live, go to my website, okay? It really is a place where people come together. My community of traders, everybody works together. No question is ever stupid. People will ask anything and I answer it, and that's the most important thing. You know, you want to learn, okay? Crystal came from Virginia. Michael, where'd you come from?
LA.
Michael flew from LA. He got in at what, 2 o'clock in the morning?
Yeah.
Got in at 2 o'clock in the morning, rented a car, drove about an hour.
Yeah.
Drove about an hour, didn't get to his hotel room till 3:30, and was at my desk at 8 o'clock this morning. Okay? All right? Boot camp.
Yeah.
S&P's gold cabooshed. Okay? So that's what it takes. Okay? If you want to do that, I'm open to it. Anybody, you can text me at 914-500-7484. Okay? All right? Josh is supposed to come in January. Okay? A lot of people coming from all around the world, and it gives me a lot of great joy. Okay? And here's the other thing, right? I'm trying to build something great here. Hopefully I'll get the news sometime in the next 5 to 10 days. If I could buy this warehouse here in West Palm, gut it all out, 18, 19, 20,000 square feet, gut it out, build my podcast center, build my trading room, and put 150 seats behind Traders Cafe, baby. Oh my God, I'll never leave. I'll never leave. Okay? I'm never leaving. Okay? Jeffrey's coming from, first of all, Jeffrey lives in Nassau. I'm going to Nassau the third or fourth week. I'm having a memorial for my mother on the 18th. My mother passed away a month ago. And after that, on the next weekend, I'm going to go see Jeffrey. And then in November, Jeffrey's going to come see me. Spend the week with me here. Okay? All right? Okay. And again, it gives me a lot of joy to do this. I want to help people. I'm not about just people blowing accounts, giving an affiliate code, and then, sign up and, it's not what it's about. Okay? It's not what this is about. This is about people really learning a skill, a methodology, something that you could take with you. If I decide to pack it up one day, the chart overlay is going to be out there, okay? The website will run, and etc. Okay? But thank you, Carlo. But again, it's really about understanding. Thank you, Phil. Sergio, thank you. But again, the most important thing here is to be able to be consistent, to come back another day, to have discipline, right? Okay, and to be able to not revenge trade, not over trade, okay? Hit your goals, just stop. Just stop. I have a guy today made $60,000 with me. $60,000. 20 accounts, okay? And he crushed it. Okay? And he does well every day. I would short this gold here, 74.5, 8.5, use an 80.5 stop, okay, on the gold. Okay? So what I'm trying to say, okay, I told you this gold's going to 73.5 earlier. Okay? So what I'm trying, actually, if you want to go 73, 74.5, okay? So what I'm saying is if you're persistent enough, okay, 6 minutes to go here. Yeah, $60,000. That's right. Okay? and I have it. It's all documented, so I have proof of it. Okay. Thank you, Neiman. How are? Thank you. Okay. Thank you, Big Frank. Okay. So what I'm trying to say, and again, okay, if you want to scalp this, you can scalp this with micros here. Okay. All right. You could look to cover anywhere between the 74 and 75 range on gold if it drops here. Okay. So the most important thing is for you to be able to want to come back the next day. Well, we get this PMI number coming out in 5, so you really should be switching to micros here on the gold. Okay. Gold hit 76. Okay. Let's see if we get one. Here it goes. Here we go. Cover 74, 75s on the gold. Lower your stops, or just look to cover. This number is going to come out in the next few minutes here. There goes the gold drop. Kabooshed! 74.20. Okay? Okay. So again, what I'm trying to say is, okay, that if you learn the strategies, learn the patterns, learn the methodologies, learn to use the underlying ETFs during the U.S. session, okay, and you understand and you figure it out that the methodology and the trading, okay, it's really important to understand that there's a method here, okay, and that's what I teach every day, okay. Okay. Yeah. All right. All right. Now the PMI number is going to come out here, so I hope you guys covered your shorts down there. Kabooshed! We got to get a better one than that one. It's not bad, though, actually. Do you like that one? She likes it. Crystal likes it. They could be better. Sounds like Hendrix almost. My crazy dog. Last night I woke up, I was like, why is my nose itchy? And I felt something on my nose. I wake up, I look up, it's my dog. He put his head on my pillow. And his head's this big. His thing's a moose. Right? And unbelievable. And then I'm rubbing my nose like this. And as I know, he opens his eyes, he's looking at me. I'm like, how can I go, all right, don't just go to sleep. Okay, all right. All right, this gold's dropping here. I would be covering short 74, 75 range. All right, we got the PMI number coming out. I told you I thought gold was going to 73.5 earlier. Okay, there, the Wicca, I don't know what that means. Okay, Carlos, Camilio. Hey, Camilio. Michael Pitts has said check my phone. Okay. That might be a good one. I like the first one, Michael. Michael Pitts, I like the first one. Thank you. We might have to send this one to Denny. How do I send this to Denny? Let me go, Denny. Denny, check out this one Michael Pitts just sent. But we have to get a kaboom. Look at the S&P. Look at the gold drop.
Can you send it to
I just sent it.
email?
I just texted it to you.
Okay. I'll figure out how to get it to my computer.
All right. Oh, and on top of him, with his head up against my nose, he was snoring. Hendrix. That's what I think woke me up. So I saved the dog. Michael and I saved the dog 25 minutes before they were going to put him down. And this dog, I'm telling you, right, he's a good dog. He's a good dog. He's already protecting my daughter. Like, he stands in front of her. He growls at people if they go near her. But no, he's a good man. He's a good dog. Okay. Pac-Man, how are you? Okay. All right. There goes the gold dropping. S&Ps just dropped 2.5. Should have shorted that into the negative MACDs. Gold just got absolutely kabooshed here. Okay. Okay. All right. SteveK5@me.com. Michael. SteveK5@me.com. I don't care. The whole world has my phone number anyway. What the hell's the difference? Okay. Okay, Sebastian Ocasio. Okay. Again, second time joining at this time. Sebastian, you're a little bit late to the game, Sebastian. It's only 40 minutes to go. You're done?
No?
You still trading?
Yeah.
What do you-
17,000.
How much?
17,000.
Okay, 17,000, made another 800. You got to learn to, like, know when to hold them, know when to
Where's
fold
the
them.
discipline at?
Where's the discipline? I don't know, but this guy's nuts on one day here.
Needs to stay out of the market now. He's
17,000. 17,000.
Share the love.
All I know is the drinks are on Michael Maggio tonight.
Oh,
Forget
yeah.
it. That's good for about around 700 people. Right? Gary B, what's going on? We got the PMI number. Okay, here it comes out. Thank you, Aaron, for telling me that tonight, Aaron. All right. I'm exhausted. S&P's just dropped 3. NASDAQ futures just dropped 12. Whew. Point of impact, is that money? Oh my God, it's prop. Let's see here. And again, you know, I say this to everybody, right? If you could do a master account, okay, go right to master, or if you do like 5 evals and you pass your eval, and all you got to do is link them. If you just make $500 a day, that's $55,000, okay? That's on 5 accounts. 2,500 times 22 business days, 55,000. What's the payout on my funded futures on that, Danny? 80 or 90%?
Ask the question one time, Steve, please.
So, if you link, let's say you do 5 eval accounts, all right, the 100K account.
So you can only do 5 SIM-funded accounts.
So you get 80%. 80% is what the okay. So at 55,000, okay, times 0.8, $44,000. That doesn't suck. That doesn't suck, right?
No, Steve.
No.
So they start off with 50K as an initial balance. So if they made 5,000, their initial balance would be 55. So it would be 80% of the 5,000 that they would get.
Right, but if they make 20, if they link the accounts, right? Let's say they link 5, they make 500 on 5 accounts. That's $2,500 for the day. 22 business days, 55,000. So then what?
Okay. Yeah, no, you're right.
Right, that's what I'm saying. There goes the gold, new highs here, PMI. If this gold gets to 80.5, I'd short it. Or 9.5, 80.5 range. And again, I would probably switch to micros, making new highs. This PMI number just came out. The long or the short? The long? Payout cap on core? Is there there's a cap on the core? I didn't know that.
There is, Steve. So you can only get 1,000. You can only request 1,000 on the core account, and after the 80% split, the 80-20% split, you only get 800 on it. But I mean, you do 800 times 5 accounts for that entire week. That's $4,000. You do that times 4 weeks in a month. That's $16,000 in a month.
Okay, I'm not. I gotta. Maybe I'll talk to you about this later. I'm trying to figure this out. I thought it was maybe I'm not calculating it right.
No, so the most you can make from a payout on a core account is $1,000. After the 20% that My Funded Futures takes, you get $800 for your payout. If you do 800 times 5, that's $4,000 that you get to keep. The only account that doesn't have a cap is the pro accounts. The scale accounts, you can start off requesting a payout of $1,500 for the 50K, but after the 20% that My Funded Future takes, you only get $1,200 instead. And then it moves up to $1,700 that you can request the next payout, and then after they take their 20%, you get $1,400.
Okay, so my analogy was wrong then.
No, you were right. My Funny Futures takes 20%. Though. Whenever
Oh.
you request a payout, they take 20% of whatever you request out.
Oh, okay. Gold just hit 78, just dropped. Okay, no, I got it. Okay. Andrew, congratulations, Andrew Hawken. Okay. All right. Nothing going on. All right, we got 10 minutes before we do the 15 extra giveaways. Again, what about the first 10,000? You know, you can't. So basically, okay, I think I understand this. All right. I'm talking gold. All right. Oof, I'm exhausted. What's the score to Jet game? Jet Dolphins. That's like an hour away from me, actually. The Hard Rock Stadium.
That's all.
Yeah, it's Fort Lauderdale. Not far. Either way, it's 77 and up. All right, this gold's going to go to 79 and a half, I'm telling you, or 80 and a half range. Andrew, congratulations. There you go. I told you. Boom! Kaboom on the gold. Short this gold 80 and a half. Short 79 and a half. Oh, wait, 79.80. Boom! If you're short the gold, cover the lower 8.5 or lower here.
Got it.
There you go. See that? Look at that. Great job. Just dropped 2, almost 3. 2.5 on the gold. Lower your stops on the gold if you got short. I'd lower it. Dolphins 24. Good job. You get short? Good job. See how fast you gotta be? Michael, cancel the balance offers. Oh my God. What?
Cancel.
Yeah. I didn't get short up there?
No.
I don't know. I'm too tired to argue. All right. Anybody get the short up there on the gold? I told you it's going to go 79.5, 80. Got the 80 exactly. Josh, you get the short, Josharoo? Hugo, is Hugo here tonight? Hugo. Where's my Hugo? Timmy, Alex G, anybody? And again, anybody who wants to reach out, and gold just dropped 3. And again, anybody who wants to reach out to me, you can text me at 914-500-7484. Again, I'll put it in the chat here. 914-500-7484. Got the short, Sergeant Wobley, good job. Charles Williams, an easy 250. Up, Kenneth Singleton. That's a great job, Ken Singleton. Gold just dropped 4, Ken Singleton. Good job. That's a great job. All right. We have 22 minutes to go before I drop.
That's a long time.
Do you think 4,000 would be a great level to reverse? I think, truthfully, that gold is not going to hit 4. If gold, first of all, if it hits 4,000, I think it's a short of a lifetime. It's not these big round numbers. How many times it hit 3,000, dropped to 2,800, 3,000, dropped to 2,880, 3,000. It's the third or fourth time that it goes through, right, Gid? Aaron, right? Mike Jock loves the night session. Up 300 on the gold short. Guys, you should be joining my live stream every day from 9 to 4 SKTrading.live. $60 on the short. Stephen Hanley, good job. How much you up tonight? 700. That's phenomenal. I'm proud of you, even though you're exhausted.
You can tell.
I'm telling you, the desk is holding me up. Okay? I'm exhausted. I had the crazy dog wake me up at 3 o'clock in the morning. My nose was itchy. I'm like, what the hell why is my nose itchy? And Hendrix was right next to me. Good job, Gold Treasure. I mean, guys, look at this. Right out of the gate, we probably did about 10 trades in gold, 1 trade on the S&P, 1 trade on NASDAQ. Not bad for a 2-hour session, right? Aaron? Right? Do you need to create an account? What does that mean? Once you sign up to SKTrading.live, there's a link for the website for the live stream every day. So we stream a nanosecond. You're short NASDAQ at 8:30. Okay, you got 4 in your pocket. It traded down to 17. Good job, Aaron. The stream is on the website. Thank you, Aaron. Thank you. All right. In 4 minutes, are you guys ready? You ready for the 15 giveaway? Danny?
Yes, we are.
Let's make this fun. You want to do the raffle this one? Let's do some.
Raffle, or what do you want
I mean
to do?
the wheel. The wheel's fun.
The wheel? All right, well, the wheel I can't filter out. Actually, let me tell ChatGPT real quick to filter out the winners, and then I'll add them to a wheel real quick.
I say the wheel's fun, right? I like the
I
wheel.
agree.
Let's do something creative, a little different. I'm exhausted.
No, I agree. Let me get a wheel up and going.
Good job, Josh. Up 600. Great job, Josh. Just getting my phone's blowing up. No, 900. My funded future is up 900 here in Josharoo. Good job, Josh. Very proud of you. All right, this gold's going to get up to 80, 80, 81 and a half. Watch. Watch this gold. All right. 3 minutes. Wild berries up 50. Good job. Michael T. Again, anybody in my TikTok, you need to subscribe to sign in for the raffle. Okay, you got to go to My Funded Futures YouTube. Okay, what do you think about gold? I've been shorting gold all night on trades based upon the divergences. Monthly candle, I do not look at candles. Okay, candles are for birthdays. Okay, all right, still short gold or not? No, Adam, I'm going to wait if it gets above 80 and a half, 81 to reshort. Okay, you probably could have made anywhere between $8 to $15 tonight trading gold. Okay?
All right, Steve, I got the wheel ready to go.
Pick a guy named Lahorn. I can't even say these names. Guys, do you know how late it is for me to talk like this? My jaw hurts. All right, 2 minutes, Denny, 2 minutes. $60 on the gold. Okay? Why not go long gold? Because you got to wait for the pattern. I got sell divergences. So every new high is met with divergences, and you can see the drop, right? There was a good long around the 2050 level, the 2050, the 850 time period, but it was right into the Chinese opening, okay? Akib, how can I pick you, Akib? You know that? I can't pick you. It's random. Exactly, Andrew. Birthday candles. Where's Denny's baby? Sleeping. Okay. I think you're done for the night. You're done. Okay? Close up shop. 700, that's a great job. Okay. And again, anybody who wants to join, you go to my website, sktrading.live. I stream every day from 9 to 4. Also, You get my chart overlay, you get my live stream, and you get my member Discord. Also, every night at 6 p.m. Eastern, I host The Bull, The Bear, and The Ugly, my podcast. It's really amazing. People have learned so much. I show you the examples, what I expect for the following day. Okay, and it's just a wealth of knowledge to learn on my podcast. Okay, all right, Denny. Let's do the 15. It's 9:45. Let's do the wheel.
Let's do it. All right. Thank you, DJ Trader. Hey, I just follow what Steve says to do, and I'm making money off of it. All right, Kami Marie, congratulations.
Hey, Bonita Beach.
Write these names down. John, congratulations.
That's it, John? Jesus.
Yes, John Dillon.
John Dillon.
We really do need to get hand claps up here or something, don't we?
All right, we need something like to, right?
Scripted Signals, congratulations.
What kind of
On a
names are
free-
these names?
On a free 50K core. Cam? ARN Cam?
I don't even know.
Congrats.
Can't they have a nice name like an Emily, a Peter, a Robert, a Joe, a Roberto, anything?
I don't think they want to do that, Steve. I think they like giving us a hard time with their names.
This is crazy, Denny.
Jubilee Nexus, congratulations. That's kind of a normal name. Jubilee?
That's not a bad name.
Mr. Salt, congratulations.
I saw Mrs. Well. Stephen Hanley, all night long I've been telling you have to go to the My Fund the Futures YouTube and click on the link and register on the raffle.
We got 9 more to go. Gabriel Trades, congrats.
Gabriel! I've seen Gabriel before.
Me too.
Mr. Salt.
What's up, James? I see you calling my name over there.
Mr. Salt, Jamie, good, congrats.
Sue Rise, congratulations. Water fasting results?
Oh my God! What a fasting! Can we get one of my guys, Joe Lombardo, is going absolutely bonkers. He hasn't won in like 3 weeks.
Well, maybe he'll win on the wheel tonight.
That's what I'm talking about.
Leon Sayas. Okay.
How many-
Leon, congrats.
Leon, congrats, Leon. How many more we got?
We got 5 more to go.
5 more. Joe Lombardo, we got 5 to go. Look at this gold cabooshed.
Bull and Bear.
Hey, Bull and Bear. There you go. I haven't seen that person.
DP, congrats.
How many more, Denny?
We got 3 more to go.
If Izzy wins, spin again.
Cheryl, congrats.
Congratulations, Sharon!
Ethan, congrats.
Ethan.
Lucky.
Ethan, I remember Ethan tonight. Last one.
Last one. J Trade, congratulations.
Hey, J Trades, congratulations. All right, everybody, that was fun. 45 tonight. Okay, 45 tonight. Okay, 45 tonight. Okay, all right. You know what, Michael? We got to figure a way I can give out sktraining.live a couple for free. How do I? We got to work on that tomorrow. All right.
All right.
I'm gonna work on that. People should have a right to that. It's just the back end I got to work on. Okay, it's the work I got to work on the back end. All right, everybody. Okay. Congratulations to all the winners. It was fun here tonight. We got 10 minutes to go before I completely collapse. Okay. Joe Lombardo. There's always another night, Joe Lombardo. Okay, but don't worry. Keep hanging in there. We had so far in my community, I think 8 people, maybe 8 or 10 people won in the last 13 days. So keep the faith. Keep the faith, you and Jeffrey Shear. Okay. All right, J Trades. Okay, J Trades, congratulations. Gary B won a couple nights ago. Okay. Right. We had over 730 at one point tonight. Pretty damn good. And between TikTok, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, what are we about, Michael? How many total? We had between TikTok, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and
About 7.
7,000. 7,000 on a slow night. Okay, and we had great. Not one losing trade, great patterns. That's why you don't buy the gold up there. Gold just dropped 5. Okay, Ethan, congratulations. Ethan, okay, all right, 9 minutes to go here. All right, did you drive or your husband's picking you up?
Oh, I drove. I had to drop them off.
You could leave now.
I was tired.
You could leave. You could leave. What I'm saying, why wait the 9 minutes and kill yourself? You could pack up.
That you killed yourself.
No, I'm just saying, you don't have to wait till the last second to leave.
Thank you.
Okay, Diego Scalper, great job. Again, I'll see you all here tomorrow night from 8 to 10. I got to tell you, I was very surprised right out of the gate. Right, guys? Right out of the gate, gold, bang, bang, short, long, short, boom. All right. Well, that's over 13 business days, Tony, right? And again, my website is sktrading.live. You really like to come and do that, okay? Come join me every day. Again, I get the live stream. Every day you hear me, you learn my methodology, get the chart overlay on TradingView, and also you get my member Discord where you can talk to me. All right, I'm going to try to figure a way where I can even get involved in a raffle, give away some sktrading.live for the month. Okay, but again, Kamika, Marie, how are you? Let's see here, Plan Zero. Again, I want to say a special thanks to Luke, Matt Leach of My Funded Futures, Denny, of course. You know, guys, to do this at night, you know, is a lot, okay? And My Funded Futures is sponsoring this. They've given away now 460 prop eval accounts in 13 business days. I don't know anybody who does that. I mean, firms give away specials and discount codes and this and that, but to give away 460, that's unbelievable. 460. She left?
Yeah.
Okay, good. She bolted. I knew she couldn't take it. I told her she can leave. She ran out of here like the Roadrunner. Boom. Right out the door. Unbelievable. JD, okay. JD, that's a nice compliment. JD just said I've made more in 2 weeks than he's in the trade information that he's made in 2 years. That's a nice compliment, JD. Well, JD, the bottom line, I'm very passionate about this. I love it. I want to see everybody do well, okay? And I just want everybody to understand that if you learn from me, okay, learn the methodology. I work with some of the biggest traders in the world, okay? Hedge funds of north of 30 billion, okay, and still good friends of mine until this day. But again, I just want you to understand that 43 years of experience, okay, Spending nearly 10 years of my life building the software, giving me the ability to read the market, giving me the ability to give you the confidence to trade every single day, and that's what's really important, okay? All right, I don't think there's much to do here left. You may have to call it a little early tonight. I'm really exhausted. So,
No, we can call it a little bit early.
we need a psychologist class? No, you don't. No, because the psychologist class means you're your own worst enemy. Okay? You see, I'm not bragging, okay? I came in here tonight, I started talking about the markets, and I said, this is why if gold rallies, I'm going to look to short it. And I didn't flinch. Gold went up, boom, let them have them, boom, kabooshed, right? Okay? So you got to really be loosey-goosey, and that's what I tell people all the time, to be loosey-goosey, okay? All right? And that's what you got to be when you're trading. You can't be tight. If you lose, no problem. Just don't go crazy where you don't have no stops, okay? You don't drive a car without brakes. And most important, what you really need to do and focus on is look at the next trade, correct, right? All right, Ethan, good night. Congratulations, Ethan. Congratulations to our 45 winners. And I don't want anybody to ever say this is rigged, this is that. One negativity, I'm telling you, out the door. Okay? Not one losing trade tonight. We didn't have one losing trade today in our live stream. That's what counts. To be consistent, to wait patiently for the right patterns. Remember, there are pattern trades and then there are scalp trades. Okay? With that being said, it's 4 minutes to go. I'm shot. Okay? So I want to say thank you all. Thank you, Denny. Thank you, Luke. Thank you, My Funded Futures. Thank you, Michael. Okay? And everybody have a great night. Okay? And again, Denny, thank you so much. 45 winners tonight. Brings up to 460 in 13 days. Thank you, everybody. Remember, most importantly, God bless you and God bless the United States of America. Denny, I'll see you tomorrow. Good night, everybody.
See you tomorrow. Everybody have a good night.
Play that music.
Shots scribbled like hieroglyphs.
Denny, good job, Denny.